Usap-usapan ngayon ang naging revelasyon ni Jake Cyrus sa kanyang nilabas na libro na I Am Jake. Mababasa kasi ang di umunoy ginawa sa kanyang pang-aabuso ng kanyang pamilya. Ayon kay Jake ay hindi daw niya alam na kumikita na pala siya ng ilang milyong dolyar kung hindi lang sasabihin ng kanyang accountant. Dagdag pa ni Jake ay nakikita umano niya na nabili ng properties ng kanyang pamilya gamit ang kanyang pera, ngunit hindi naman daw nakapangalan sa kanya. Pagpapatuloy pa ni Jake, hindi man daw siya kasing yaman ngayon kung ikukumpara sa buhay niya noon. Masaya naman daw siya ngayon dahil nagagawa niya ang kanyang gusto. So guilty. But when you're a celebrity, people expect to find new duck and designer clothes all the time. Imagine how I felt when as an adult who should be able to handle my own money. I met my accountant for the first time and learned that when I went on tour, I could earn up $600,000. When I sang at private events, I could get up $300,000. Endorsement in the States earned me up to $1 million. At one point of my net worth was $16 billion. I am not worth $16 million anymore, but I assure you, I am richer than Charisse. She only knew how much she was worth, but she never actually got to touch or enjoy her earnings. Sure, I saw houses being built and cars being bought using my money, but I was always told they weren't mine. If I needed to use one of our cars, I had to ask permission from my mother. Sometimes she would refuse my request. It's only now that I finally know what's like to have a house. Matapos na naging revelasyong ito ni Jake, ay tila may patutsada naman ang ina nitong si Raquel Tempenko. Sa social media nito ay may video daw nilabas na kung saan may caption na, hindi daw lahat ng nababasa ay totoo para husgahan na agad ang isang tao. Tinawag pa nitong sinungaling at fake news ang mga gumagawa ng kwento. Hindi lahat ng nababasa niyo totoo para husgahan niyo agad ang tao. Malay niyo, sinungaling ang nagsabi at fake news lang.